right, let's see what it sounds like. After hearing mine, which is a Recirc, and hearing this one, I kind of wish I would have bought this one because it's louder, but it's not obnoxious. But it is what it is. I got mine, he's got his. Tell me in the comments below, which one did you like the best? And hit like, subscribe, check me out on Patreon if you can, you know, spare $1 a month. But till next time, wrench on.